This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, July 7th. I'm James Spann. Things nice and quiet today. Things will likely stay nice and quiet for the rest of this week as an upper high builds in. You can see that with the water vapor satellite view. That northwest flow aloft we had late last week and early in the weekend is gone. Very active convection, not too far away. Very heavy rain falling in the southern edge of the westerlies. And look at our radar at 2:35. One shower. Can you find it? It's around Ragland in St. Clair County, and that's about it. Birmingham hitting 90 today for the first time since June 29th. We went 7 days in a row with a high under 90. Remarkable for late June and early July. Tuscaloosa 93. We'll expect mostly low 90s through midweek. Boy, look at all the flash flood watches on the periphery of the heat bubble. Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, a lot of flash flood warnings around Tulsa, Fort Smith, Harrison, Arkansas, up into southern Missouri. But no problems here. Severe weather risk later today and tonight, a marginal risk north of here. Tomorrow, again, a marginal risk north of Memphis. But no problems here. Probably no thunder, and pretty much the same deal on day 3, which is Thursday. Nice and quiet around the nation. Rain for the next 5 days. If this is right, nothing for the northern half of the state. The most significant rain will be, again, on the western northern flank of the heat ridge, from West Texas up into the Ohio Valley. Bullseye numbers not too far from Wichita Falls, Texas. Tropical Atlantic remains very quiet with dry air, but over in the western Pacific, things are very active. That is Typhoon Chanham. That thing will be flirting with the coast of China here in about 4 days. Should be weakening at that point. And then recurving, but looks like that recurvature could be pretty close to the coast of China, not too far from Shanghai. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. You can see that old ridge here. An upper low is located near San Francisco. And down below that, a lot of rain west and north of here, but for us, much like today, any showers few and far between. High should be in the low 90s. Same thing Thursday. Same thing Friday. It's say highs each day between 90 and 93, and the chance of any one spot getting wet will be in the 20% bracket. Understand, we'll see showers and maybe a storm out there every day, but they'll be very widely spaced and random. That's pretty much the deal for the weekend. This is Saturday. We could be inching up toward the mid-90s as heights come up a little bit. Same thing Sunday. Mid-90s, lots of hazy sun. Showers, very isolated. Monday of next week, we're still mostly dry. Now, this is Tuesday, a week from today. Look at the trough developing all of a sudden. The heat ridge is squeezed back off to the west, and while that looks pretty dry, I do think we could clearly see an increase in showers and storms on Tuesday, with highs dropping back in the 80s if that graphic is right. This is the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, July 17th. The core of the heat is still west of the state, a weak northwest flow aloft that looks relatively dry. Off the ensembles, again, these top numbers are probably too hot. We'll probably do mid-90s late this week and over the weekend. I don't know if we can do 97. And I do think the numbers come down by the middle of next week. And again, maybe we could be in the 80s by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. These numbers just look a little too hot, and they've been running that way for the past several months, really. The anomalies July 15th through July 21st, a little above average here, below average just north of here, with above average values over the Florida Peninsula. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.